Okay, we got our head in our vise. I'm using an 1.25 inch bit here to cut out for our stick. We're going to go up about a little over 2 inches. That's why we made this mark here, so we knew where our center was going to be to put our stick in, or to drill our hole for our stick. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. Battery died. So anyway, we're going to finish drilling this out for our stick, and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.